Hello, gorgeous. My name is Anastasia, and I'm your go-to holistic health and fitness expert. If you're new to this channel and you do not know what does it means that I'm helping you to guide you through the challenges that you have experienced in your life right now to overcome and to be the healthiest version of yourself. It's not about sitting on a diet. It's not about going to the gym because you have a gym membership. It's about all the tools that come on each level. It's the way how you look after your physical body, the way you treat your skin, the way you treat your hair, the way you talk to yourself when you're alone, when you look at yourself in the mirror, when you check yourself in the dressing room while you are do some shopping, and as well as you do the choices in the food, in nutrition, in grocery, in the way you choose your relationship. Is it a romantic relationship? Is it your friendship? Either it's the most important, also your family relationship. How do you expand them? How do you heal them? How do you transform them? Because you are woman and there is so much power inside you, and I want you to consider me as your big sister. So you open YouTube, Anastasia fitness expert, it's my elder sister. She can guide me, she can help me out. So was kind of intro. If you want to speak more about this particular aspect of holistic health and how does it impact life and how can it transform your life, I'm inviting you for a free consultation call, which I'm happy to give each of you. So all you need to do is to jump in the description of this video. There is a Google form you would find. Fill out the Google form, schedule the call, and we will meet over Zoom. In today's video, I want to speak with it's actually very sensual subject for me, so that's why maybe I'm like, I want to delightfully deliver to you this information so you really get it. So I want to speak with you about good habits and bad habits. Bad habits, what does it is? Yeah, there's so much hype about this bad habits. Shall I be a good girl or shall I be a thin girl? It's not about good or bad. There's not such a thing as white, black, good and bad. It's about some things that harm you and some things that would heal you. Okay, let's look at this particular subject in this way. And it's actually everything goes through this dilemma. Is it harming you? Is it healing you? It's your food, it's your drinking, it's your sleeping, it's your relationship with the man, with the sister, with the brother, with your father, with your mother, with your girlfriends, with your boyfriends, as well as your relationship to the body. How do you look at yourself? How do you nourish yourself? By eating burger or eating some bowl, eating an I don't know, potato fries, or you prefer to eat some boiled potato. You drink some grande latte with, I don't know, coconut milk, whipped cream, caramel sauce, or you choose to have some apple, banana, celery. And this is all small things which as a grand total finalizing as you loving yourself. Because all in life, because here is so interesting, the woman has so much power inside her, but if she do not use this power in the healing process, because you can heal yourself and you can heal others around you, and when you nourish yourself, when you heal yourself, you evolve and you magnetize the power. But when you harm yourself, you do not do anything with your energy, and basically it's afterwards you do not heal anyone, even yourself, and then it would kill you, and then emotionally some people would also suffer because you kill yourself. I do not want to scare you for sure, but bad habits such as smoking, drinking a lot of alcohol, like casual drinking. Again, if you do not feel that you want to drink but you come to the party because you need to attend, right? It's a social event, it's a FOMO that I do not want to miss out. I want to have this selfie, I want to have this post, I want to be there. But do you really want to be there? Do you really want to have this glass? Do you really want to be around these people, or you just play the role? And again, do you really need to dress this way, or you just wanna to look, I don't know, you wanna make someone jealous, you wanna make someone feel bad about them because you look thinner, you look fitter. And again, there is no such things like you get fitter and you cheer yourself. This is great, but when you cheer that you make someone else, that you show them that I'm getting better, it's not about showing up. No one else in the world care about you achieve something or not achieve, just you. And if you think about the emotions of other people, you actually throw your life somewhere from the window. So why do I talk about bad habits and good habits? And here I bring some energies, women energy and everything, because it's everything interconnected. Everything in life is interconnected at the infinity sign 8. So if you think in a long term, I love to repeat again and again, long term satisfaction, long term vision. If you eat a burger and if you smoke occasionally weed, or not occasionally, every single day, if you smoke shisha, if you like whiskey and prosecco, and then you just go and inject some, I don't know, Botox, hyaluronic acid, and do some peeling on your face, and then you do not eat anything for 1 week because you want to fit to the bikini season, there is a summer up front, and you think it's great because you still look tiny, you still look fresh, you put some great makeup and you all sparkle, it's not great because it still harm you in a long term. What's happening inside you when you apply all the things, when you drink these all the things? Do you really enjoy put this all inside yourself, or you just running out from something? You run out about some responsibility, some decision do not being taken, or some traumatic experience again with your relationship. When you face this relationship, this responsibility, you would have no need to drink. You would not have the need to brag about what have you done. You would not have a need to show up someone that you are this and this and those, because you feel at peace with yourself, you feel a harmony, and you want to share. And again, you want to share from an abundant spot. You want to share the information just from a spot of love, again because you are a woman and you've been created from this spot. But when you share because you run a roller coaster, because you need, you want to show up, you run from a spot of comparison, you run of a spot of being proud, you a pride also, you run from a spot of being affected by jealousy, comparison, again gossip, and it does not serve you. It does not serve you. And again, if you are 20, there is such a boom in 20s. We live in the era that there's so many self-made millionaires, etc., etc. But again, if you run just to show up for someone, it does not serve you again. And I don't want to put this a bad habit that you make a million, it's a bad habit. No. How do you serve yourself with this million? How do you serve yourself in a day? How do you serve? Also, how do you reflect to others? It's all interconnected. It's all good and bad habits. So if you think that, again, do not look particularly as a bad habit, it does not affect my body, and I'm eating burgers, I'm drinking cola, I'm drinking a beer, and then I still have 45, 50 kilo of the weight, I look great. I do not change anything about. But in a long term, if you are around the people who does not make you feel great, who still throw at you certain comments which make you feel down, that's why you smoke weed, that's why you drink alcohol, that's why you are in a certain environment with the people who make you kind of cheer up, but at the same time you can break down this relationship not as a friendship, but just like you drink alcohol together. If you remove alcohol from this relationship, there is nothing left, because being sober to speak with these people about something you have zero interest in common. So here how you could clean up your life while removing a bad habit. And it's not an easy thing. Like, it's challenging. It's could be also scary, because you build a sort of safe pillows that you have so many people. Maybe you have, I don't know, 10K followers on Instagram, everyone cheer up for you, and then suddenly you would remove parties and being an influencer and being in this relationship, and then you get alone and you are afraid of being lonely. But it's not about being lonely, it's about being solo and being satisfied and being at harmony. Again, it's a challenge. It's take a brave heart to do it, and afterwards it pays you off a lot because you feel at peace in your heart, you feel at peace in your body does not crave for any sort of, again, bad food items which are just delusion for you to get in the escape from these emotions, from this harmful experience from other people, from some memories, from triggers that may occur for you on a regular basis when the situation appear again and again. So what to do with all of this? All you need to do is to have a guidance and expertise to decide that you want to get from this point where you are right now and be a healthier version of yourself. Again, it's not about drinking just a celery smoothie and doing an abs exercise. No, it's about cleaning up your environment, cleaning up your emotional state, and resolve all the issues that may get you in the trouble from the relationship, from the emotional baggage, and as well as you relate to yourself, to the food, and maybe it's your medicine to heal also as escape. For someone it's alcohol, for someone it's drugs, for someone it's smoking, for someone it's eating. That's why they have a binge eating habits. So look deep down into yourself. What do you see? What kind of bad habits you have right now? Because all of us, we have a phase when we have a bad habit. And as innocent as it is, it's maybe also as scrolling an Instagram and a TikTok. It's an delusional state where you escape, you do not deal with your life, and then 100% when you look at others, when they do ABCD, even if it's fake, even if it's polished picture, you fall into the trap of a comparison and jealousy and gossip, and then you run through this spot. But you do not need to run through this spot. You need to run from you do not need to run overall. You just need to go into the life from the spot of love and belief, and then you create magnificent things in life, and then of course you would attract the same magnificent people to your life and multiply the love and belief system, which would glorify everything what you do and be multiplied by 5, 10, 100 times, and you would feel the pure joy and satisfaction. Again, what you need to do, you can have an expertise guidance with me. You can have at least a free consultation call that I offer to evaluate where you are right now. If you really need it, because there is no obligation, you can have a Zoom call with me. We can break down all the things that you are dealing right now in your life. I would help you to ask some certain questions which may you never ask yourself before, and then you would clearly see your picture and understanding if you really need something like this in your life or you are pretty happy where you are right now. This is what I have for you in this video. Hope you enjoy, hope you get some insights and food to think. This is it I want to deliver for you, to not wake up in your 40s, 50s or 60s and ask this kind of questions, because the life is so beautiful and it's great to have a wisdom and maturity at the young age, so you do not harm yourself, you do not harm others, and then hence you do not pay for all this harm back to the universe. So we'll see you in the Zoom, we'll see you in the next video. Share with me below in the comments what is your thoughts about this subject, and I hug you, love you, and we'll see you in the next video.